I have lived in Nairobi my entire life, and there's one place that I've always wanted to stay at, but I've never got a chance to until now. This right here is a manor from which you can hang out and dine with giraffes, and it's going to be my home for the next 48 hours. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys what the experience of living in the giraffe manor is like. That's slimy. Oh my god. Whoa. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Karibu.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Cheers, dude.
Cheers, bro.
So we have just checked into the Giraffe Manor and I'm super excited to be here. This place costs a whopping $900 per person per night. So let me show you guys around, starting off with a room tour. This here is our room. It's called Arlene. So if we come in here, this is the room with a humongous bed. I love this furniture, old style English furniture in front of this beautiful window. And then right over here, there's the view of the courtyard. Welcome to one of the most beautiful bathrooms I have ever seen in my entire life. The fittings are all made of brass. Even over here, the sink, this is all brass. A very unique toilet. So everything is wooden and you literally sit on wood. Wow. This is so cool. So let me give you guys a little bit of a perspective as to why I've never had a chance to stay here. Well, first of all, the price is $900 a night. And secondly, this place has a waiting list of 1.5 years. That means if you want to stay here, you literally have to wait 1.5 years before you get a spot over here. That's because this place is just that popular. Fun fact, it's actually one of the most Instagram properties in all of Africa. I'm so grateful to you guys because it's because of you guys that the Giraffe Manor gave me the opportunity to stay here and to show you guys what it's all about. This house, no matter where I point my camera, it just screams royalty. This is so beautiful,
man. And imagine this is just one part of this place.
I am so excited to be here. Guys, this place has just 11 rooms. That's how exclusive it is. No ways, they have a grand piano. So back in my day, before I started this whole vlogging shenanigan, I used to be a master pianist. So a side note, I have no idea how to play the piano, but if you want to become great at playing the piano or learning any skill in general, then I want to introduce you to the sponsor of today's video, which is Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community where they have thousands of classes for anyone who's looking to learn or improve their skills or explore their own creativity. I joined Skillshare about 4 years ago so that I could learn how to make better vlogs, how to take better videos, and how to edit photos, all so that I could stand out and grow on YouTube. Right now, I just started taking a class by Nedra Tawa called 7 Personal Development Exercises to Build a Life That You Love. I want to make 2022 my most successful year yet, and in order to do that, I have to better myself to achieve my goals. And in this course, the first lesson that I learned was confidence is key to achieving your goals. Sometimes you can set goals that seem like they're so far-fetched and you're not really confident about them, but if you have unwavering confidence, then it's very easy to achieve those goals, and I'm so grateful to have learned that, and now I'm going to be able to achieve my goals this year. So what skills are you planning to improve or learn this year? If you're looking to join Skillshare, then the first 1,000 people to click on the link below will get a 1-month free trial so that you can explore and learn from all the awesome classes at Skillshare. So make sure to take advantage of that. Do not miss out, and let's get back into the video. You know what I really like about this place is how you can actually interact with the property. So more than just having the giraffes, there's so much to explore within the property. So like there's marbles, there's the piano, there's all these cups and trophies and drawers. And if you're a curious person and you just want to see what everything has, you can. So it's currently lunchtime, and not only is the architecture and the furnishing of this place so beautiful, but look at the food presentation. This here is beetroot and bread roll. So when the beetroot arrived, I looked at it and I was like, just beetroot, but it's been spiced so nicely. That is probably the coolest jug I've ever seen.
Everything is giraffe.
That's why you call it the Giraffe Manor, right? Because everything is giraffes. This is red snapper fish, and it has this sauce curry thing on it. This right here, I have it on a plate. Wow. So it's currently 4:30 and it's time for high tea, and right about now the giraffes are making their way here. Oh my god, there's one! It's time to feed the giraffes. So you feed the giraffes with these pellets. So this pellet is made of corn, bran and molasses.
You feed more.
His tongue is so slimy and it's rough, it's like sandpaper. Here you go. Oh. It's so sticky. I need to go and wash my hands. They're so sticky, I can feel it. So these giraffes here are the Rothschild species, and they're actually endangered. So what the Giraffe Manor does, in association with the Giraffe Center, they breed them and they reintroduce them into the wild. I love how all the giraffes are getting all the love. Poor warthogs, nobody even cares about them. It's okay, Warthy, I care about you. I don't. So there's one thing that I've dreaded the most my entire life here in Nairobi when I heard about it. Kissing a giraffe. So basically what you need to do is put a pellet in between your lips. Let me just show you guys. And I just made out with the giraffe. Yay!
Yeah, right.
That wasn't actually that bad. And why kissing them is such a popular thing here is, one, it's Instagram worthy, and two, apparently their spit is antiseptic. It's very sticky though. And it kind of smells. Bye bye! It was fun feeding you. Feeding the giraffes has worked up quite an appetite. Luckily they have high tea. The snacks display is so fancy. So for $900 a night, you have everything inclusive. All your food, your drinks at any time you want. You can order a cocktail. You can organize transport to take you around the city. And even you can go to the Giraffe Center for free. So it's all included in the $900 per night. So how do you make use of a beautiful bathroom like this, which has a shower cubicle and a bathtub, when you just have 24 hours here? That was amazing. They even had bath salts in there. I feel like I got my $900 worth. Wow. So right now we're having dinner outdoors in the courtyard. I love the setup. Everything is so warm and cozy, and the food. This food is so good. I'm just singing happy birthday for someone. Good morning, guys. That was a beautiful sleep. This is a really comfortable bed. Oh my god. What? And this little baby. What a beautiful thing to wake up to. Wow. Let's go feed some giraffes. So in the morning, the giraffes come into the courtyard, and the rooms that have balconies, you can feed the giraffes from them. Unfortunately, we don't have a balcony room, but we can go to the courtyard. Hello, I have some food. There you go. Good morning. Good morning. This is just the coolest thing ever. I like how they know where and when they're going to be fed. Wow, and they're so beautiful up close. Hello. I brought food. I brought food. I came to the dining area to take that iconic photo that you see all over Instagram, but the giraffes, They're all full. I'm left with giraffe food on my plate. What is this? Betty, Eddie, somebody cooperate for my Instagram shop. This morning was super fun. Got to feed the giraffes and it started at 6 a.m. So you basically have a 2-hour time slot to feed the giraffes in the morning and in the evening. And right now we're having breakfast. I absolutely love the setup. It's so cozy and homely. And right now we're having pastries. This is probably the best pancake I've ever had. Alright, it's time to check out of the Manor. This place has been absolutely amazing, but we're not leaving just yet because... Ooh. So right opposite the Manor, they've introduced a new property. It's a retreat and I want to show you guys what it's like before we leave. And welcome to our room. This one's called Waridi. And if you thought $900 was a lot, this room here is $1,200. Just for 12 hours, but it's so beautiful. Whoa. The retreat has 4 different rooms. Each of them have their own setup. And I love how they've taken the old colonial aesthetic of the manor and they've combined it with this new architecture. So the whole concept behind this retreat is if you're staying in any property that belongs to the Safari collection and you have a flight that's say at 12 o'clock midnight and you need to check out from any of the properties, which is usually at about 10 a.m. then you can come to the retreat. You can take a nap, you can enjoy their jacuzzi, their spa, eat as you wait for your flight instead of sitting in the terrible Nairobi traffic. Also, if you're staying at the Giraffe Manor, you can access this place and it provides extra amenities that you can take advantage of. Jumbo, Rajveer and Ravneet, welcome to the retreat. We hope you enjoy your stay with us. And they've provided chocolate! Ooh, sustainably sourced fair trade dark chocolate. Excuse me as I try one of these. So many different assorted cookies. No ways, they also have dates. This is true luxury. So in an overview of this place, it definitely doesn't come cheap, but a lot of the funds that the Safari collection generates, they use to fund very important projects that help the wildlife and the local communities and the environment. Like, you know, bringing up the number of the Rothschild giraffe, they're protecting predators in the Mara. They also help with conservation of rhinos, education of local communities. So if you're staying at a place like this, you're not only getting to enjoy such a beautiful experience, but you're also helping saving a little bit of the world. And guys, sadly, it has come to the end of our time here at the Giraffe Manor. It's been such a lovely experience and I enjoyed every single moment of it. So with that, I'm going to end the video over here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps YouTube push this video to more people and helps grow the channel. And if you're new here, consider subscribing and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. So in today's video, I'm gonna... Hey, cooperate. Here, Lily, take this. We gotta film the intro, Lily. We gotta film the intro. Come on, we gotta film the intro.